Good afternoon, one and all present here. I happy to welcome the respected speaker, Dr. V. Shankar, IIHR, Bangalore, as a principal scientist in horticultural subject, particularly vegetables and fruits. Then all the faculty members here, Professor and Head, Department of Vegetables, Department of Plant Protection, then Post-Harvest Management, then the invited our guest, Dr. Rajagopal, and professors and all student friends. So once again, I welcome. And this is very important lecture pertaining to horticulture, that is future fruit crops, that is underutilized fruit crops. This is need for the hour also. So in horticulture is a sense, fruits and vegetables, other horticultural crops is a major crops for the future prospects. So in this sense, underutilized, that is minor fruits is a major utilizing crop nowadays in the sense of commercial exploitation, then pharmaceutical utilization, and nowadays for health benefits with respect to fruit crops, that two minor fruits play a major role. So in this sense, this guest lecture play a major confidence among the student community. So in this sense, I welcome Dr. V. Shankar once again. He is an eminent horticulturist, renowned scientist in IIHR and throughout our Indian prospects. Then he released more than 10 books with ISBN for the benefit of scientific society. Then he published more than 50 articles in scientific international and national level, and published 100 popular articles for the benefits of farmers in Karnataka as well as in Tamil Nadu. Then he participated more than 200 international, national, and statewide seminars, and presented a lot of papers. Then he got award of national, international, is more than 5 numbers, and visited the international institutes also. Then his specialization, now it's vegetables, earlier in fruit crops. So once again, on behalf of H&RI, Periyakulam, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, I invite Dr. V. Shankar, the Principal Scientist, IHR Bangalore, to deliver the Nobel lecture, that is fruit crops, underutilized fruit crops for the future perspectives. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your nice introduction and kind words. Good afternoon to all. As are told, myself, Dr. V. Shankar, working as a principal scientist at the Indian Institute of Horticulture Research. And my specialization is a vegetable, but earlier, more than 3 years, I was working in fruits. So, first of all, I am very proud to present here as a first batch student. We were the first batch of Periyakulam. And afterwards, I did MSc at the TNAU. And after completion of MSc, immediately I joined ARS. And after completion of professional period, again I came to TNAU and I did my PhD under the guidance of Dr. Veera Raghavadattam sir. And afterwards, I posted at Directorate of Onion and Garlic Research at Pune, Maharashtra. Almost more than 1 decade I was worked there. And there we standardized a lot of production technology, particularly for onion and garlic, starting from seed to harvesting, starting from seed, method of sowing, seed rate, intercrops, weed management, fertigation, irrigation, precision farming, high-tech horticulture, various types of storage structures, everything. Almost we have standardized more than 22 technologies in onion and garlic. And afterwards, I got transferred to IIHR regional station at Coorg. I think you might be knowing, isn't it? Coorg is a hill state in Karnataka. There we are having Central Horticultural Experiment Station. So I was posted here. There was no work in vegetable. So I forced to work on fruit crops. So we started future fruit crops, particularly underutilized fruit crops. I was worked in avocado, Garcinia, and also simultaneously I was worked in exotic vegetable crops, exotic fruits and vegetable crops. As Star told on this topic, future fruit crops, it is very close to my heart. and also lot of farmers demand. Wherever we'll go, farmers, they used to ask these kind of underutilized or underexploited fruits only. And it's a very fancy topic. So last time I presented vegetables, I thought that this will be useful to our students community. As you know that IIHR, Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, it was started during the year 1967 with the objective of to increase the productivity of horticulture crops, particularly fruits, vegetables, and flowers. So we are having a 3 research station at IIHR. One is at Kodagu, that is a Central Horticultural Experiment Station, and second one at a Central Horticultural Experiment Station at Tumkur, Karnataka, and the third one CHS, that is a Central Horticultural Experiment Station at Odisha. So in Kodagu means Kurk, we are working underutilized fruit crops, and for Tumkur station, mostly they are concentrating on avocado and also jack and dragon fruit. And the third CHS Odisha, they are working on future, particularly underutilized fruits and vegetables. Okay, so whatever we are work done at IIHR, particularly 80% of the underutilized fruit crops, we are working at Kurk station only. So I will present one by one. So as is told, future crops, future fruit crops is nothing but underutilized or underexploited future crops. Because of this nutritional potential, high demand in pharma industry and also processing industry, now this name is coined as a future fruit crops. Okay. So history, if you see the history of this station and also fruit crops, these future crops, more than 100 underutilized fruit crops, we are working at CHS Chettali, Kurk. Actually, earlier it was started 1947. It was started as a Orange Research Station. Later on, it changes to Kurk Orange Research Station. Then later on, 1972, it was upgraded as a Central Horticultural Experiment Station. Okay, so if you see the photo, it is a hill district in Karnataka, and headquarters is Madikeri. Is called Merkara in British period. So I think these are all the popular tourist place. I think you might be knowing, isn't it? Maybe a lot of people they used to visit also. It's a Kaveri. Kaveri is originated in Talakaveri. That place is located in Madikeri. This is a famous Raja seat and falls and Tubara elephant camp. And also this is a Tibetan camp, and a lot of tourist attractions are there in Madikeri and Kurk. And if we come to the plant genetic resources or varietal wealth, at CHS Chettali, we are working more than 100 crops, and we are having more than 1,200 collections in rambutan, mangosteen, kokum. Of course, kokum, I think you might be knowing Garcinia. So we are having a 4 species, including Malabar tamarind, and we are having avocado, passion fruit, lychee, jamun, karonda, karambula, anano, dragon fruit, and including durian. So these are all the major one we are our present we are working. So if you see the climate and the other topography of the Kurk, basically it is a hill station. That elevation is more than 1,000 feet. And if you see the soil fertility and also cropping pattern, mostly they used to grow rice or paddy, followed by some cooker bits. This is on a lowland area. And if you see the upland, and mostly coffee based ecosystems, a major one is a coffee, maybe Arabica or Robusta, depending upon the elevation, and inclusion of a multi-tier cropping system comprising of pepper and some fruits of avocado, orange, and also some forest trees. This is a major multi-tier cropping system which we are following at Kurk station. So among the fruit crops or among the underutilized crop, now avocado is, we cannot say underutilized. Now it is a cash crop. So now it comes under the future fruit crop, isn't it? As you might be knowing, avocado, what do you call that? Avocado milk, or no avocado that cream or avocado milkshake is very famous and popular. And it was introduced from tropical America. And for in India, it was introduced long back, maybe in 300 or 400 years back. It was introduced. In being in South India, it was introduced first at Kallar Barliar. In Tamil Nadu, it was introduced at Kallar Barliar Fruit Research Station at Nilgiri district. And in Bangalore, it was introduced at Lalbagh. So apart from that, now we are growing most this avocado in only hill or subtropical climates, particularly for Sherurai Hills and Nilgiri Hills, Kodaikanal. Nilgiri Hills only lower part, Kallar Barliar, and of course the Sherurai Hills, Edkade, And apart from that, we used to grow some parts, particularly for Tirunelveli, Tenkasi, Sengote area, they used to grow, and some hillocks, particularly for Elagiri Hills, Javadu Hills. These are all the popular spot or popular area. And already avocado farmers used to grow under as a monocrop. It's a very less number of plants, or as an intercrop in coffee plantation. And apart from Tamil Nadu, so other major growing area is Kerala. Kerala, Karnataka, and some parts of Sikkim, and also Maharashtra. Even Nashik and Pune area also very good plantation or very good orchards are available. But Tamil Nadu is a leading one, and followed by Kerala. And nowadays it is called as a super or a super fruit, isn't it? Because of its nutritive profile. Particularly among the all fruits, this is the only fruit having good cholesterol. Particularly for it is rich in minerals and antioxidants. And coming to the immunity part, even corona period, most of the doctors they used to recommend avocado fruits, isn't it? So because it is having a high pH and acidic condition, it will dilute, isn't it? And that coronavirus and all survive only acidic condition. So these fruits in alkaline. So if you eat this fruit, and that because of that pH, that all virus particles will be destroyed. So this is the only fruit that time we recommended. Then because it will also build up our immunity, because this is the only fruit having omega-3 fatty acid. As you know that omega-3 fatty acid is very important for our heart, isn't it? So if you go to cardiologist, any cardiologist, if you are having a high cholesterol or high blood pressure, and if you go for organic way, they used to recommend some fruits, isn't it? So for vegetable, they will recommend broccoli, isn't it? Broccoli soup we have to drink. And for fruits, they will suggest only avocado, because this is the only fruit having more quantity of omega-3 fatty acid. Apart from that fatty acid, it is also having a good amount of minerals, particularly for potassium. So this always reduce our blood pressure. So everywhere, because you can see the any market or any shopping mall, only avocado they are serving as a avocado milkshake, isn't it? Because this is a tasteless fruit. So we can make a lot of this byproducts: avocado ice cream, avocado guacam, and avocado cakes. So these are the whatever products we are saying. We used to prepare at our IHR post harvest laboratory. Apart from food use, this is the best use for cosmetic industry, isn't it? Once upon a time, I think you might be knowing Amala, isn't it? And that actress is a brand ambassador for avocado. She is having a estate in Kodaikanal Hills, more than 100 acres, and she used to grow avocado, and she used to star some advertisement. So this is nowadays this cosmetic industry is growing like anything. More than 1,000 crores we are earning from cosmetic industry from Indian side. So the avocado is a best fruit for cosmetic use, particularly for hair wash, or also the glowing skin, and a lot of creams, even olive, and this avocado oil also available. And apart from that, if you see the usage, once upon a time, it is a known fruit only, isn't it? But we don't know that nutritional quality. In particularly Kerala, it is called as a dog fruit, because nobody knows this value of the fruit. And every homestead, even if you go to Kerala, so most of the household, they are having one jackfruit, or one papaya, or some fruit trees they used to maintain. So most of the household, they are having a avocado, but they don't know how to use it, and they don't know the taste of this fruit. So simply it will fall, and mostly even dogs used to eat, isn't it? So that's why they used to call as a dog fruit. This was a fact of once upon a time, isn't it? It's not now. Okay, now it became a dawn of the fruit. This is a story. This is a one type of Kerala story, isn't it? In general, Kerala story we know, but this is a once upon a time it was a dark fruit. Now it became a dawn of the fruit, isn't it? So among the fruit, this is a very costly fruit, and also having a rich in all kind of nutrients and minerals, isn't it? So if we see the varietal wealth, a lot of varieties and races are there. In general, so we are having a three races: Mexican race, Guatemalan race, and also West Indian race. This is a three races, but the tropical climate we used to follow only West Indian race. Okay, so only West Indian race only it will survive at our condition, and the fruits are medium size. Normally this weighs from 400 to 600 gram, and the maturity period also somewhat higher side. And if you go the Mexican and Guatemala, this temperature is somewhat lower side, and they are having a fruit size is somewhat large, medium to large size, and also the maturity period will be less, normally 4 to 6 months, but ours it will take 7 to 9 months. That is only different. And the second is a fruit size. Our tropical avocado is a small size, small to medium. And if we compare to Mexican and Guatemalan race, they are also having a medium to large size. This is a difference. And coming to the color, our fruit is almost light green, green or somewhat yellowish. And if there's particularly for no this hill or cool climate, the color will be a somewhat purple or no crimson color, and sometimes used to get yellow color also. So these are the major types, but what we are recommending is mostly West Indian race only. But a lot of farmers, they used to grow horse variety, isn't it? You might be knowing horse variety, it is comes under the Mexican race, because the fruit size is small to medium, but the color is attractive red color, isn't it? So wherever we'll go, we'll attract only colors. If you go to any market, that colored fruits or colored vegetables will attract, isn't it? So even though we are having very good varieties, but most of the farmers are consumer point of view, dark color or purple color will be a more attractive. So nowadays now lot of horse varieties are we are importing. Even one plant cost is 3,000 rupees. One grafted plants. We used to recommend grafted plants. At IAHR, we are recommending grafted avocado plants at the rate of 150 rupees to 200 rupees. But if we want to import horse varieties, that grafted plants is 3,000 rupees. That is a difference. And this is a race. And if we coming to the varieties, again a lot of varieties, all imported only. So we don't have any named variety except few, isn't it? I think might be knowing or final year students or BG students, in India there is no released variety, but except one variety is a TKD one, isn't it? Studying would say one is the first released variety in India. It's released by our TNAU HRS registration. Studying would say. Apart from that, recently IAHR we have released two varieties. One is Arca Supreme, and the second one is Arca Ravi. Okay, so at present India we are having only three named variety: TKD1, studying would say one, followed by Arca Ravi and Arca Supreme, and others and all imported varieties only. And if you see the variability, you can see color, size, and shape, isn't it? Even our Chetali, we are having more than 200 collections, and size, shape, and all, no, it will vary. Even we are having a fruits of 100 gram, and we are having fruits of 3.5 kg. Giant size avocado also available, and small tiny fruits also available. And these are the exotic collection. In Chetali station, we are having a more than 20 exotic collections we are having, which we collected from Australia, California, and US. And mostly the colors are Ash type. Mostly is a pink color type. And other one is a somewhat globular shape. That is a light green to dark green. This is all our promising lines while doing evaluation. We all documented. So these are the promising avocado lines which we are maintaining at Chetale. So even we are also having a pink color and crimson color, but it's maybe all imported, not a local one. So these are all the elite germplasm material we are maintaining at GHS. These varieties or these lines we are going to release very shortly. So this is all based on the size and shape, just to you see color and also attractive bearing, and the size also uniform and the cluster bearing, isn't it? So these are the promising selections in our IAHR. And apart from this type, we are having a seedless type or a pseudo avocado, isn't it? Because the seeds are now very small, maybe for 5 to 10 gram, isn't it? In general, avocado, so 50 to 60% will be occupied by seeds. If you purchase 400 gram, the seed weight will be 150 to 200 gram, and the flesh will be minimum only, isn't it? But we are having in our collection, even particularly in this collection, we got it from lower Palani Hills only, isn't it? Once upon a time, as I told earlier, it was introduced in Kallar Barliar, isn't it? Followed by it was introduced at Kodaikanal Hills, particularly lower Palani Hills, introduced by I think a lot of no promising planters, Mogana Sundaram, Veeraras, isn't it? And Ravichandran, they are all these stalwarts in avocado industry in our Tamil Nadu. So this kind of no seedless or no very small seeded fruits we collected from lower Palani Hills only. These are all these fruit size itself we will get it no maximum 50 to 100 gram, and this is a cluster bearing, and the maximum you will get it, and the numbers will be around 5,000 to 10,000 fruits per day you will get it. So this is a added advantage. So these are the nowadays these avocados and all, it's a branded avocado we used to call. So we used to even if you see the any shopping market or malls, this branded avocado you will get it minimum per one fruit they used to sell 150 to 200 rupees. These are all grading, sorting, packing. And as per research at avocado, as you know that avocado mostly we used to eat as a fresh fruit, isn't it? Because it is a tasteless fruits. Most of the people they don't like it, isn't it? It's just like butter taste. So mostly we used to prepare avocado cream or avocado milkshake, isn't it? So what you call that? Even we'll extract that flesh. We can add some jaggery or honey and also elaichi, isn't it? These are all the things we'll mix it. We'll grind it and we will use as a cream, avocado milkshake or cream. Apart from that, recently we developed avocado paste, isn't it? So whenever now we are having a surplus market, there is no demand for fruit, and we have done this value addition. This is a avocado paste or avocado spread we prepared. So we prepared a two choice. One is a plain taste, another one is a chocolate taste. So on this spread mostly you can use for as an alternative to jam, isn't it? Because jam is nothing, only minimum quantity of any fruit juices added with 60 to 70% sugar. So instead of jam, and we used to prepare avocado spread. So this is alternative to jam. So you can mix with any kind of chapati or roti, tandoori roti, or no, even bread also. This is the alternative. This technology recently we developed, and this avocado spread and paste we used to send to higher altitude hills, particularly for Leh, Ladakh areas where our Jawans, our army soldiers and all they are serving. So those people now we used to supply. So whenever they need any fruit jam and all, they used to eat this avocado. So they will get more calorie, more energy. So mostly we used to supply for those who are serving in higher altitude. That altitude ranges from more than 10,000 feet, isn't it? Not 5,000, 10,000, more than 10,000 or 20,000 feet. Even last time Kargil also, we at that time this technology was released, and we used to, at that time we prepared more than 100 kg in this avocado spread, and we supplied to army people. And apart from IIHR, even DFRL, Defense Research Development Organization, also there, they also used to prepare avocado coffee powder, isn't it? Instead of no a coffee powder, they used to prepare instant avocado powder. So they will make it's a avocado milkshake that is ready to eat, and the other one is avocado mayonnaise, isn't it? Nowadays, no lot of groundnut based mayonnaise are available, isn't it? So they used to prepare avocado mayonnaise, even avocado pulp, isn't it? Avocado coffee powder or pulp powder to make a instant coffee, avocado coffee or avocado milkshake. And mostly they used to supply this product and all. You won't get it in open market. This is only for army people, army and defense people. And we used to conduct a lot of for promotion of this avocado and whatever technology we standardized, starting from seed sowing to harvesting. And we used to conduct a lot of field day programs and also awareness programs. So every year in Chettali, we used to conduct a awareness program, brainstorming session. So a lot of our vice chancellors, even all Karnataka based, Maharashtra based vice chancellors, they used to visit, and they used to see all our variability in different kind of avocados. I think a lot of case studies are available. These are all the base one, and everybody knows. I think, isn't it? As I mentioned in Lower Palani Hills, Mr. Mogana Sundaram and Mr. Veeraras and Ravichandra. As I told, they are all stalwarts in avocado industry. Mostly, they used to grow avocado in coffee plantation, isn't it? So nowadays for avocado, again people used to ask because we used to recommend last almost last 3 years we used to distribute more than 2 lakhs grafted plants with the area expansion of more than 5,000 hectare, isn't it? So farmers are no processing industries. They used to ask as a market, where is the market? And recently avocado market in India, it was started by Abhilash Kore. Abhilash Kore from Maharashtra. He was started this organization, and wherever you'll go avocado, you can contact. He will send a person, and he will lift all your material. So he used to export also, and he used to supply to the all metro cities. Even though he is in Maharashtra, so he will collect the fruits. He will collect the fruits in a refrigerated van, and it will reach to Pune and Nashik. From the Pune and Nashik airport, they will move to all Hyderabad, Delhi, Bangalore, and all cities. So this is one organization successfully they are doing marketing in avocado. Apart from that, as I told, only 3 released varieties are available. One is a TKD1, isn't it? Studying good Sayon. I think everybody knows. This is a fruit size is a medium size, 400 to 600 gram. The important feature is what farmers are telling. This is having very good storage life, isn't it? So this is now suitable to transport from one place to another place or one state to another state. This is the important one. Apart from that, we are having one more variety is called Arca Supreme. Arca Supreme is our own variety, and this is also high yielder and also medium size fruits around 350 to 400 gram. And avocado, that the pulp seed ratio also very good. Then latest we released one more variety is called Arca Ravi. Earlier we released Arca Supreme, that is a medium size fruit. This is somewhat higher. Higher means this fruit ranges from 600 to 800 gram, and the fat content also is higher. Earlier on we released around fat content is 7%. This is more than 12%, 12 to 14%, and the pulp recovery is 80%. The seed content is very small seed, and the pulp recovery is more. So this variety is called as a Arca Ravi. So this is all about avocado research at IIHR. Coming to the next crop, rambutan. Rambutan otherwise called hairy lychee, isn't it? It comes under the which family? So mostly it is growing in Southeast Asian. Which family? I also forgotten. That's why I'm asking. Rambutan. Rambutan lychee. Sapindaceae family, isn't it? So mostly for Southeast Asian countries, it is very popular, isn't it? It's otherwise called hairy lychee. So this rambutan, once upon a time, we were introduced at Chettali, maybe 25 years back. Whatever material we collected from various parts, particularly Kerala and also some parts of Tenkasi and also Shengotai area. So we collected and we introduced this crop at Chettali. So you can see the uses and all, no, it's normal. So where we are growing, what are the common or potential area in rambutan? So this black stars indicates already this plantation is available, particularly some parts of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and also Karnataka. So this yellow dots indicates probable area, isn't it? Further now we can expand or increase this crop in following districts. And if you see the global figure, if you see the rambutan producing countries, the first one is South Asian Indonesia. Indonesia and Malaysia occupies more than 90%. And if you again coming to the varieties, mostly for 99% all imported varieties only, isn't it? So varieties, the country wise varieties are available: Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand. And for as per India is concerned, we are having two released variety. It's called Arca Kurk Arun and Arca Kurk Pitap. And one more popular introduction is 18 and 35. These are all the very popular type, isn't it? So Arca Kurk Arun, this is a red color type because we released two types. One is a red skin type, that is called Kurk Arun, and the fruit weight is around 40 to 60 gram, and taste is very good, even almost free stone, because the stone is very peppery or leathery, and the recovery percentage also very good. And coming to the pitap is just like yellow color. So yellow color one, and the fruit size is somewhat small, and the TSS is good compared to Arun. So these are the two varieties which we released at IIHR. And apart from that, two varieties identified from foreign country or Indonesian or a Southeast Asian country, that also very good, yielding very good in Indian condition. That is called N-18 and N-16. Okay, so these are all the four popular varieties in rambutan. So this is a picture you can see, Arca Kur Arun. So this is a red skin variety, very tasty one. And Arca Kurk Pitap is a yellow skin variety. So in this is these two varieties mostly we are recommending for Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka. But under Kerala condition, these two varieties are very popular: N18, N16. So mostly these are all the imported varieties. Particularly, I think you might be knowing Homegrown Nursery, isn't it? Homegrown Nursery at Kancharapalli, Kerala. It's a very popular nursery. They introduced a lot of exotic fruits. Exotic fruits, and among the fruits in the rambutan in one is a major one. So these are the popular varieties they introduced. So these are the current status or conservation of rambutan orchard at our Chettali, CHS Chettali. If you see the collections and all, again, as I told, we are having more than 200 collections. And if you see the age of the plant, around 20 years old. And mostly we are interested in fruit yield only. First one is survivability, at most Chetali condition, it is coming very good, and we are getting very good yield. And now we are concentrating on higher yield coupled with a small seed and is suitable for processing, because this is a fruit we are having a very good storage life. Even after harvesting, you can store up to 2 weeks, 15 days, and it is very good, suitable for processing and also value addition. So these are all the some of the post harvest operation. So maximum, if you see the yield potential per plant, we used to get 50 to 75 kg, and the maximum even 100 kg also you will get it, and you will get a premium price. So in general, in market is a 200 to 250, but the farm gate price is 100 rupees per kg. And when we will get it, this fruit, if you see the phenolical growth, mostly for July, August, you used to get it. Isn't it? So most of the fruits, most of the underutilized fruits, this is a major season. It will fall mostly on May, June, July. May, June, July is a crucial period for all kind of underutilized fruits. So rambutan, lychee, everything now you will get it on June, July period only. This is all about our variety Arun, and this is also Arun. See, just see that seed. This is a papery leathery seed. Otherwise, no. Even if a commercial variety is, if you see this is a big seed, it's very difficult to eat. This is a field view of rambutan. This again a field view. This again another variety, released variety, yellow skin variety. Even for propagation techniques, they used to standardize. So once upon a time, we used to propagate only through air layering. But nowadays, we are using crafting methods also. Even budding also very much successful. These are the budded rambutan plants at our nursery. These are the some production practices. So normally plants we used to cover. This kind of bird net cover, we used to cover it. Otherwise, what is the purpose? This coverage of plant. Why we are covering? Hmm? Mainly for birds, isn't it? Because rambutan, once during harvesting time or maturity time, lot of it will invite a lot of birds. So you won't get a single fruit. So this is a fish net. Fish net, used fish net used to cover for during that period only. Only for during maturity, after maturity, up to harvest, we used to maintain or we used to cover this kind of bird net covering. All different types of harvesting, but harvesting mostly with sticks we have to harvest. That is the important thing. We cannot harvest our single fruit, isn't it? So it is having very good storage life. If you harvest with the sticks, then only you can able to transport for long distance. So this is the sorting and grading. Other than that, these are all the some post harvest operations: washing, grading, drying. Then nowadays, no, this is a gift package available in Karnataka, Kerala. I don't know whether it is available in Tamil Nadu. So even for 1 kg fruits, it's a 10 to 15 fruits available, 400 rupees per pack. So gift pack. Even Karnataka, if you see the big or no politicians or no big businessmen marriages and all, instead of giving coconut, isn't it? After marriage, we used to give mostly coconut or betel nut. That's all, isn't it? Now they used to give gift. All no, mostly for businessmen. One gift, attractive gift is a rambutan. This kind of gift they used to give. Otherwise, processed product, particularly for no mango, amla processed products, they used to give. This is also wrapping package materials. This again a package and storage in cold storage. This again a packaging house. So apart from that, this is our Indian condition, what we are doing, no? So whatever package or good materials, we used to export, isn't it? For import or local use, this kind of transport and package only, isn't it? Just to see. There is no package at all. Simply, they will harvest entire bulk. They will put it in vehicle and directly, they will park their vehicle in all kind of, roadsides, and we used to get it. So this is Indian style marketing. This all marketing. And a lot of successful growers, as per rambutan is concerned, in Kerala, one farmer, they used to earn 25 to 50,000 per tree. Okay, so for one tree, they used to earn 25,000, minimum 25,000. So the age of the plant around 15 to 20 years, because it's only one time harvest, even June, July, per kg, they used to get 100 to 150 rupees K. This is a rambutan. Exclusive sales counter is available at Kerala. In India, only one market or only exclusive market retail is available at Kerala. So they used to sell this kind of rambutan, all underutilized exotic fruits. So coming to the value addition, as I told, so apart from direct or not table purpose, there is no market. Again, marketing is a problem. So the processing value addition we attempted. It's not we are not tried all. Just we attempted. The project is going on. So these are all the products we can make it. But if you see the market, these are all the products available in rambutan already for Indonesia, Philippines, and Manila and all. They are doing lot of this kind of products making. These are the commercial products available in rambutan. And again for rambutan also we used to conduct, because India, we are the only station working in rambutan. Okay, so no other station, no other university except IIHR. So we are only having a very good rich germplasm material, and yearly once we used to conduct rambutan field day. So anybody interested to participate, because July or August we used to conduct, so we will send an invitation. So I think you might be knowing, as I told, homegrown nursery is a very popular in distributing this kind of underutilized exotic fruits. Even particularly, they are supplying grafted plants to different parts of the country, isn't it? So apart from that, rambutan, other crop, it's a carry lychee, as I told. This is a lychee, isn't it? Without hairs. So as per IIHR is concentrating, we are concentrating only off-season production of lychee. So lychee where will grow? Where you are seeing lychee? In India. India, where you find lychee fruits? Bihar, exactly. Because Bihar, they are having lychee, NRC lychee station. So Bihar, Chhattisgarh, UP, MP, and all major growing areas, isn't it? But apart from North India, South India, where you can see lychee? Lychee, where you are seen in South India or Tamil Nadu? Have you seen or not? Huh? Kodaikanal. Kodaikanal, you won't find any lychee. Huh? You can find a lychee tree, not a lychee fruit, isn't it? Tadian could say also, I think one tree, isn't it, sir? One or two trees are available, but you won't find. Yeah, exactly. For Kutralam, Tenkasi, Chengote areas, you will find a lot of lychee tree, isn't it? So there is a difference between North Indian lychee and South Indian lychee. For North India, we used to get lychee on May, June. Okay, for South India, particularly for Tamil Nadu or Karnataka, we used to get lychee on November and December. Okay, so that is the difference. That's why we want to promote off-season production of lychee. So in lychee for North India, studying would say shaggy. But we don't know that, isn't it, sir? Because 2 or 3 plants are there. When they were introduced, what is the source of that materials? We don't know. So that is a major drawback. Because one season we are getting fruits and another season we are not getting. Of course, the shaggy we used to get regular, and another China variety is there. That is again alternate bearing. So 1 year we'll get, next year we won't get it. So in general, for lychee, as I told, some parts of Wayanad we are having a plantation. Even Karnataka we are having some area. Tamil Nadu only for limited area we are having, and some popular varieties. I think varieties all imported or local varieties only. And Sing, as I told, we used to concentrate off-season lychee production, because off-season you used to get 500 rupees per kg. Normally per lychee season you will get 200 rupees. So off season you will get 500 rupees per kg. So these are all the possible area, or just we want to introduce, these are all the potential area for lychee cultivation. In Karnataka, of course, Kodagu we are having, in Chikmagalur, Tarwad, Kerala, of course, Wayanad it is there. We want to introduce Idiki also. And some reports are saying that these are all the possible area to introduce. Already for Tenkasi, Kallar Barliar and some parts of lower Balanigals, it is available. But you won't find any orchard. Here you can see 1 or 2 trees only, isn't it? These are all the possibility or potential area for lychee introduction. Of course, Maharashtra also. And these are all the famous popular varieties. As far as lychee is concerned, I think Shaggy, I don't know, photo is not visible. And the China variety is there, Vedana, Kaspa, rose scented and late banana. These are all the 6 popular varieties. Among the variety, the rose scented is very popular one, because it will give fragrance or aroma. But very popular high yielding type is Shaggy. Shaggy is a very popular type and a very tasty one, and continuous bearing. Every year you used to get fruiting. But the China type, as you know, China type, isn't it? Any China mall or China material, sometime it will work, sometime it won't work, isn't it? So like that only. On one season you will get a flowering, and the next season you won't get any flowering. Okay, that's why named is China type, isn't it? So these are all the popular types. I think Shaggy came, isn't it? At least Muthamlingan sir told. So maybe we, based on the size and shape, we easily will identify. Just like mango variety, if we keep mango variety, we will easily identify. Like that, even lychee variety also, we can identify. And after tasting also, we'll come to know. Isn't it? One is a visual appearance based on the size and shape. And the second, the third one is organolepticus. Easily you can find which variety it belongs to. This is even Chettali, we are having very good lychee orchard. We are having a more than 30-year-old orchard we are having, and we are maintaining 12 varieties. So anybody is interested, because even tour program also you can plan it, ma'am. So instead of planning for now North India, even our own South India on Chettali station, they are having a very good this kind of no underutilized fruits wealth. So instead of going for North India to see lychee in Bihar, you can visit Kurk itself. So this is a variety I told, the fragrance variety is a rose centered one. So this is almost a 35 years old orchard. We are weighing at our Chettali station. This is a shoggy, it's a popular regular bearing variety. So again here we used to cover fruits, isn't it? To avoid birds damage. This is some of the operation in harvesting, sorting, packing. This is a one success story from Wayanad. So only one farmer. This is almost one tree. Only one tree is having. From one tree is earning 1 lakh rupees. Only one tree is having, and off-season production. So minimum you used to get 500 kg, and minimum premium price 250 to 300 rupees. After all investment, all exclusion of cost of cultivation, all expenditure, he used to get 1 lakh per plant. So this is a successful story. And another farmer from Kurudat, from Kurk, he used to have around 20 trees, and he used to earn 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs per annum he used to maintain. So only for 20 trees he is having. Okay, thank you. So another successful story is madam is called Lakshmi. She is also from Kurk. Kurk area. She is also a successful grower of lychee, and she used to prepare a lot of pie products, more than 1 dozen products she used to prepare, and she got best woman farmer award also. So during exactly for an fruit maturity period, we had to put this bird nuts, otherwise you won't get any quality fruits. So these are the products available, isn't it? So apart from that, even IIHR, we are also working lychee, and we used to prepare more than half dozen products, but already a lot of commercial products are available in market. Just like rambutan, avocado, we used to celebrate, or we used to organize awareness program or brainstorming session in lychee. And as per South Indian condition, we used to get the fruits on November and December, isn't it? So November, December, all Christmas, New Year, Eve, all functions used to come, and we used to get a premium price. Even for our Chettali, we used to get 1 kg 400 rupees, and again it will go to market almost double, isn't it? 600 to 800 rupees they used to get it. So these are all the successful growers profile. And apart from avocado, rambutan, lychee, and one more underutilized or future crop is passion fruit, isn't it? I think nowadays it is very popular, and even I think now madam might be knowing, even Theni district also passion fruit is nowadays is very popular. But as per the IAHR is concerned, we are having only one variety. As you know that in general we are having two types. One is a yellow passion fruit, that is a local type, and maybe we don't know that origin, but the people are telling that it came from Kerala, even particularly for even near Coimbatore, Nelliyambadi on research station is there. So they only developed that yellow passion fruit, and we are having our own variety is called the purple passion fruit. The name is called Kaveri, Arka Kaveri. It's a Kaveri is our released variety, and we used to get the fruits almost 6 to 7 months. We used to get fruit, and the only thing is this is the only fruit we cannot eat, isn't it? Have you seen passion fruit anywhere? Where you have seen? Hmm? Here is there. Only one plant, huh? Only one plant. Have you tasted? Huh? No, they won't allow to taste.
Yes,
Once upon a time,
yes,
the
sir.
exhibition material only. So even we are having a very good orchard at
Ambam,
Chettali.
sir.
So this is the only fruit we cannot eat. The only thing is now we can make a juice and we have to drink, isn't it? Even this is having a very unique flavor or a fragrance. Once you cut it, at least within 500 meters circumstance, easily we'll come to know, okay, today post-harvest laboratory or madam is cutting passion fruit. So better now we'll rush, we'll get some juice from madam. Isn't it, ma'am? So madam definitely, very happy to serve. If quantity is available. It's a conditions applicable. Isn't it? Okay. So this is a Kaveri passion fruit. It's a very famous, very popular. Only thing is we need. So this is a very famous passion fruit, particularly for Kaveri, because only it is required pandal. Isn't it? It's a climber plant, and wherever you are having even a fencing or compound wall, even some areas, even Mandia district, they used to grow as a intercrop in coconut and areca plantations. Isn't it? So it's very popular, mostly for all the Tropicana and the real juice fruit processing industries. They used to purchase these kind of fruit juices. All your Tetra packs contain some amount of passion fruits compulsory because of its fragrance. Okay, so whatever, irrespective of juice, whether mango or any juice, they will add 1 or 2 drops of passion fruit. Okay, because of fragrance and flavor. And if you go to any 3-star, 5-star hotel, welcome drink will be only two, isn't it? One is a passion fruit juice, another one is, we don't know, sir. Better now you take it, then we'll taste and tell, isn't it? So one is a welcome drink will be a passion fruit, another one is kokum juice. So nobody knows because that is only attract. If you serve mango juice, nobody will go to 3-star hotel, isn't it? Some unnamed or no, nobody knows that juice, that only they will serve. So next time also you will come. Found for juice, isn't it? So this is a curiosity or to attract the customer. So of course, this is a Kaveri variety we released at GSH Chettali, Central Horticultural Experiment Station. So this is more than 30 years old. And here in the mainly we used to concentrate on juice making only. And it's a high yielding type. So compared to yellow one, this is a high yielding type and somewhat tolerant to nematode. So major one is nematode. So because of nematode population, almost 60 to 70% orchard we lost. So these are somewhat tolerant to nematode and also wilt. So we are having very big industry. Even for now, Karnataka, the major fruit juice industry is a passion fruit, isn't it? So we are having a lot of these products, particularly RTS beverages we used to make. And recently they made a passion fruit passion fruit cake, and a passion fruit halwa also we used to make. So these are the 5 products we are making. And the major one is a fruit juice, RTS project. So these are the products available in the market. So apart from our own products, these are the commercial products available. The next important one is sour soap. What do you call in Tamil? Mulsita, isn't it? So Annada muricata, we used to call sour soap. Even somebody they used to call graviola also, isn't it? Graviola. This is also introduced to the only, it's not a native. But Chettali, we are having very good collections. We are having a more than 10 collections. As you might be knowing that is a anti-cancer, isn't it? For anti-cancer plan. And they used to take these fruits wherever, no, and that, what do you call that, cancer patient, they used to take this fruit or eat. Otherwise, they used to take a decoction from these leaves. So normally they used to drink sour soap tea, isn't it? What they will do, that leaves and all, they will harvest and they will dry it and they will make as a powder, just like a tea powder, and they will prepare uh, this, what do you call it, tea powder, sour soap tea, isn't it? So it will, they are telling that it will reduce that cancer cells. So anti-cancer plant, and we are having very good collections. So here mostly we used to prepare RTS beverages. One is a RTS juice we used to make, and the second one is a RTS cake they used to prepare. This is our promising line. Very shortly, we are going to release Chigach's own sour soap, Annanda Miricata. The peculiar character is in the fruit size is big. Normally, this is uneven fruits only, you will get it. The fruit size ranges from 200 to 1.5 kg, and ours is almost medium size, almost 600 to 800 gram. And storage life also good, but the major problem is storage life. After harvesting, we have to dispose within 2 or 3 days. You cannot store for long time. That's why morning I told. So morning I suggested, isn't it, for that mucilage, madam? Isn't it for Russell, that mucilage they are using as a edible coating for enhancing the storage life of this sour soap. So these are the byproducts available in the market. Almost more than 1 dozen products available. Even sour soap decoction powder, means tea decoction powder available in Amazon market. Even you can see Amazon, you can get it products. Even you will get it even tablets also. Sour soap tablets also available. The next important one is underutilized fruits is Garcinia. So Garcinia is a major one, isn't it? Garcinia. So here we are having three important species. The important one is Garcinia indica. In Garcinia, we are having a lot of species, but as per commercial important, the major one is Cocum, isn't it? Garcinia indica. Then another one, second one is Garcinia gummicata. And the third one is Garcinia xanthochymus. So these are all the major important one. Apart from that, we are having Garcinia mangostina that everybody knows. But as per this is and this fruit, this is originated from Western Ghats only, and this is mainly used for drinks, isn't it? Mainly for the juices, and also they are making butter. Kokum butter also they are making, and kokum juice they are making, and the kokum tablets also available. As the morning I told, it is having anti-obesity, isn't it? So those who wants to reduce their weight, they have to drink this kokum juice regularly. So even Google it, you will get to know lot of literatures. So if you want to gain weight, don't eat. If you want to reduce your weight, then you can drink kokum regularly. So these are all the products available. And I think you might be knowing mangosteen, isn't it? No need to tell about mangosteen. This is a king of fruit or queen of fruit. So queen of fruit, isn't it? So this is all just like mangosteen is available in lower Palani Hills and also some parts of Sherurai Hills, Nilgiris. This is Wayanad is a famous market in India. Mangosteen, wherever you'll go, Wayanad is a big market. This is a successful Jacob is a successful grower in mangosteen. These are the package transport in mangosteen. So these are the byproducts available, isn't it? Almost more than 1 dozen products available. The next one species is Morella, Garcinia morella. Mostly morning I told HCA, hydroxy citric acid. High amount of hydroxy citric acid is available in Morella, mostly used for pharma industry. And third species is important one is umbrella tree. It is called as a umbrella tree, Garcinia xanthochymus. Even for our landscaping and all, we used to recommend this one only. It's a evergreen plant, and we used to get these fruits. And again, it is rich in HCA. And fourth one is a gummicata. So Kerala used to say Malabar tamarind, isn't it? Instead of tamarind, they will try it this fruit, and they will use for all veg and non-veg preparation. Even particularly for non-veg preparation, they will add essence of this fruit, and it will dilute all fat content present in the non-veg, particularly meat products. So Karnataka, Kerala, of course, it is very popular, and Tamil Nadu is not that much. These are the products. Even tablets also available. And I think nowadays, dragon fruit is a very popular one. And for as far as IAHR is concerned, we don't have any named varieties. We are having collections. We are having more than 20 collections we are having. And coming to the flesh, we are having two types of flesh. One is a white one, another one is a pink one. And coming to the skin, again, we are having two types. One is a yellow skin, another one is a purple one. So as per dragon fruit is concerned, we standardize all technology, starting from training, pruning, canopy management, off-season production, post-harvest handling, almost we standardized. And recently we got Center of Excellence in Dragon Fruit. Even Government of India project DST, they funded almost 10 crores they given to IHR. And very shortly we are going to establish Center of Excellence in Dragon Fruit at Tumkur. So durian, no need to tell. I think you might be studying. I have seen, isn't it? We are having some collection at Chetali, but the only thing is fruiting. So we are not getting regular fruiting. So rarely we used to get it. Durian markets, durian products. I think, are you ready to eat durian? Yes or no? No. Huh? Okay. So carambola, I think, star apple, isn't it? This also we are having a sweet carambola and also sour carambola we are having. Of course, velvet apple. Have you seen this one? Velvet apple also is available, not that much tasty, but it is a good one. Of course, Malayan apple is called the water apple, isn't it? Sometimes they used to call paneer apple also. And here also we are having, I think, perigulum also we are having, isn't it, madam? Some trees. No. So this is all we are having a lot of variability. We are having three major colors: dark pink, light green, even yellow color also we are having. This is a water apple. So even sugar patient also we used to recommend. This is a promising line we are going to release. So these are the problems in cultivation. Actually, these are the fruits now we used to call as a future fruit crops. Only thing is there is no production technologies available and no quality of planting material. Where we'll get it, we don't know, isn't it? These kind of fruits. And after that, where will market? Marketing is a problem. Again, processing and value addition. Okay, these are all the constraints. Of course, IIHR we are working more than 100 future fruit crops. We have standardized our technologies, isn't it? This is a one take home message to us. Okay. So what do you understand this slide? Because last time vegetable crops also I put on slide. Isn't it a take home message? This is a take home message for fruits. You tell that. This is self-explanatory. No need to explain. Huh? Whatever you understand, just you tell. Huh? Girl side, you tell first. Huh? Based on this slide, what you got? What is your observation? Everything no need to explain, isn't it? So boy said, hmm? Yeah. Okay, that is an observation. So how you to interpret? Your interpretation is important, isn't it? That is everybody knows. Chappals in AC room and whatever we are eating it, fruits in outside, isn't it? ஸோ நம்ம வந்து எதை வெளியில வைக்கணுமோ அதை வந்து உள்ள வச்சிருக்கிறோம், எதை உள்ள வைக்கணுமோ அதை வெளியில வச்சிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? Simple understanding. How to interpret? Same way, isn't it? Whatever healthy benefits are now, whatever we used to call that all minerals, vitamins are rich in underutilized fruits, but we are selling in roadside, isn't it? Though there is no package, whatever package I showed, all in theoretical only, isn't it? This is a practical point of view. We used to sell only outside, isn't it? But chapels normally now we won't allowed to take inside. We used to keep outside only, but we are giving a freedom to sit AC rooms, isn't it? This is a take-home message for us. So we have to consider, isn't it? So this slide I have seen last 15 years. That's why I want to show, isn't it? Even my teacher also showed this slide. So only I changed crop. That time they kept in some other crops, I think. So now I changed the rambutan. Okay. So thank you very much for your patience. Thank you. Thank you very much. Any questions? Because getting time, that's why now I got hints. So I had to wind up. That's why now fastly I moved slides. Any questions? Just any vegetables or flowers about IAHR technology? Anything? If you want to know more or anything, just you ask. Very clear means then I will ask one or two questions. At least for my own satisfaction. Isn't it? Huh? Because your toxins and all nothing. Because that is all only media news. Isn't it? There is no toxin. Lychee is commercially recommended. Even just like mangosteen, it is an energetic fruit. Isn't it? So long back, maybe 2 years or 3 years back, we got a news that those who are eating, they will get painted or even children and all dying. Like that now, on media news came. That is not true. Already that inquired. Even NRC team, they went. Only thing is, what they eaten is pesticide sprayed fruits. That they were hiding. So then that farmers they are not telling. So whatever they eaten that time, that is already even synthetic pesticide sprayed fruits. So that's why they found some toxic. Otherwise it is nothing. So this is a very energy. So in general, lychee even for South India we are not at all taking. Even most of the persons we are not at all seen, isn't it? So lychee is available only during the month of May, June only. And lychee one kg, just for your information, I am telling, at Bangalore 400 rupees 1 kg. So how many fruits you will get? 10 fruits only you will get it, isn't it? Even if you purchase, we used to take only one fruit. Isn't it? Hardly, each person they will get only one fruit only. And if you are eating more, then there is a chance. Isn't it? That is not a proven, but she is telling that is also came in media. So mostly, we are not recommending for only, you eat night lychee, isn't it? In general, nobody will eat fruits in our condition, isn't it? Mostly we'll eat banana only. Other than banana, we won't eat any fruits. If you go to hotels, they will provide salad, then we'll eat, isn't it? Otherwise, getting fruit, particularly for dosa, idli and all, is getting problem in our house. If you ask dosa, they will provide idli only. Isn't it? If you ask, then they will provide only rice. Then if you ask lychee, definitely you will get banked. Isn't it? So for our condition, this is applicable to North India. North India, particularly Bihar, every house they used to maintain lychee trees. So lychee season now, continuously they will eat only lychee. But our condition, it's not like that. So eating one or two fruits, it won't change any our metabolism. So not that much taxi. Okay. Any other question?
So my question is regarding wild species availability in underutilized fruits. So far we presented almost known, that is known means maximum categories of 16 species. For example, in Kodaikanal, one wild berry is available. We examine the content of nutrient as well as all the parameters. It is equal to that of or nearest to the blueberries. But blueberries we don't have.
Yes.
But we have endangered type of berries. Will it possible to exploit this type of?
Exactly, sir. Exactly. As I presented, because of time constraint, this is almost 135 slides. So even wild, as you told, unknown, even particularly berries, even chetali, we used to get raspberry, blueberry, and another one more. Three berries we used to collect from forest areas. But the only thing is, where is the market, sir? Again, problem. We used to multiply. We had a more than 2,000 plants we multiplied during the year 2017-18. Nobody is ready to take. Even though we analyzed, as you told, we have done all nutrient profiling and all, and we planted, maintained a separate block. But the only thing is awareness. Even these fruits and all, nowadays only we are coming to market, isn't it? I think avocado, we might be knowing even 20, 30 years back. Nowadays only it is popular. Like that wild species, a lot of is there. Even Garcinia, we are having 12 species. All are economically important, but only we are focusing on kokum only. Kokum, that is Garcinia indica. Apart from that, we are having a 12 species we are having. So like that, berries also we are having a very good amount. Even during the most of this underutilized fruits and all, now obvious our Western Ghats only. Almost 60 to 70% originated from Western Ghats only. But the only thing is we are unable to maintain. I think maybe on exclusive institute or research station should require to maintain this kind of underutilized fruits or this kind of genetic wealth or genetic resources. Otherwise, earlier when we were in Chetali, we used to maintain. So that is as an institute mandate. Afterwards, that a lot of leader changes and all. Nobody is interested to work in these crops because only thing is these are all perennial crops, isn't it? For fruiting and all, it will come late because I want to publish paper within 1 year, isn't it? So for that, nobody is interested to work in fruit crops. That also nowadays everybody wants avocado only. Even our IIHR scientists, everybody wants work avocado because this is a international crop. If you work, then you will publish, and your NAS rating will be 7 or 9 or 10. Nobody interested in Garcinia because Garcinia is a low volume crop. So now people also know towards career oriented, towards mark oriented. So nobody is interested. When we were in Chetali, we are having a very mega project, underutilized fruits. After we left, then the project itself closed. So nobody is interested. It was kept abeyance for 2 to 3 years. Then our director told, anybody interested, you can go and work. And nobody wants to work this craft. Nobody wants to go Kurk. So that was the reason. Then institute itself, we closed this project. So at present, we are working, but not that much extensive level. That is a major problem. It is available.
It's available. So what Janavi expressed is correct because I examined one of the important bakery at Kodaikanal. So they harvest only wild berries and make it into jam. And the jam is a top grade valuable product with a cost. 100-gram jam of wild berries cost about 400 rupees.
Okay.
But our mango as well as other jam cost about 150 rupees.
Less. Correct, sir. Even yeah, it is available. Even Kurk also, madam. If you come to Kurk, lot of homemade products are available. You will get all homemade. Even wine also you will get plenty of homemade wine or chocolate and all. You used to get it. Only thing is marketing, ma'am. Exactly. Particularly for tribal areas, even tribal area, even Kurk, we are having on tribal union. They used to prepare these kind of products, and they used to market on only tourist places. Wherever they are coming, they used to sell. Only thing is, there is no extensive research in our side. Any university also, ICR institute also, these are all the neglected crops only. Just for academic interest, we are working, not that much. Even Karonda, it's a compared to other, this is rich in iron content, but nobody is working in Karonda. And as per IHR, we are working on Karonda, and we are having a lot of new varieties also.
So if there is no questions in this forum, I request Dr. Nageshwari, Professor in the Department of Vegetables, to propose vote of thanks.
So Dr. Shankar has explained, have a elaborate lecture on the minor food crops, covering from avocado to this raspberry. So on behalf of the Dean Horticulture, Perihulam, as well as the Dean SPGS, Coimbatore, I thank Dr. Shankar profusely for accepting our invitation to conduct the final viva for my student and also to give the guest lecture. I thank all the HODs who participate in this program. Thank you, Nandal. Thank you, Nandal, sir. Thank you, sir.